Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and let me show you the problem with the Macbook. Here's Safari, and I don't know how to fix it. And this is in the test area. My original program, original area I was using on the computer, I cannot access it because this hard drive keeps crashing and it won't recognize my password. And the Polaroid Cube, I keep wanting to say Mac Cube, is charging. And here's what there's what it says for Firefox. Now I can get in the library and fix that, but I don't know how to do it. And Fix That Mac has said to put in the 500 gigabyte hard drive in here and get it up and running again properly. And they said the hard drive is crashing. Is $134. And when you try to upload, try to restart this, the screen flips like an old rolling TV screen when the horizontal, or actually the vertical was going out. But as you can see, there's no, even though that's connected, and when I first connected it to this MacBook, it gave me a nice little icon. Doesn't do that now. That's gone. So I can't use the cube because, and even if I could use the cube, I can't upload the video it would make to the internet. So, and this is not the newer one. The newer one has built-in Wi-Fi. So I'm screwed, folks. I don't have $134 to get this fixed, so I need your help. By the way, here's the little instruction card how to operate this. I'm going to have to watch a video on how to get this to work. And so I will be starting in February putting away $50 a month toward a newer iMac. And down the pike, a newer MacBook. But it's really hard to find a MacBook on eBay or an iMac that isn't broken, water damaged, parts only. So you know the address, Falkie, Falkie 2013 at gmail.com for PayPal, or George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California 94553. Now I need help because I can't access the video manager on YouTube, and I can upload videos of the iPad as long as it lasts, but it's getting harder to charge too because the home button's broken. I will be, hello, that was curious. I will be sending it off finally at the end of the month to get it repaired. And the next thing to get repaired after the MacBook will be my iPhone, and then eventually get a new iPhone. New MacBook, new iMac, and fix the Mac Mini. I know it's Christmas time, but I've been doing videos for 8 years. You want to keep seeing videos? I need help, folks. 134 is a lot of money in one way, but it's not a lot of money in another. And I haven't been doing paranormal videos because I frankly was too sick with my teeth and my sinus infection. I'll be talking about that in the upcoming months. I was really excited to get this little camera because it would give me an alternative to the iPad. But I can't even use that now. So I'm very disappointed. Oh, this is really stupid. They give you this lanyard thing to attach this somehow to the lanyard. And I'm not sure how. But at the end of this, the strings that goes through, and they're glued in there, and there's two little springs there. You push in this, but once you pull the thing, you can see they don't stop because the glue is dried out. So it's effectively useless for carrying this around your neck. It's a dumb design. All right, this is, excuse me, this is George Senda with the increasingly keep losing my voice and clearing my throat. I apologize. By the way, I was very excited about one thing today. My sister called me all the way from Pittsburgh. And I was absolutely shocked. She never calls me. I call her, talk her head off. But she called me and she asked about me and wished me a happy Hanukkah. And I said, well, I stop at all presents. I played Santa on stage. Oh no, it's Christmas Eve. Terrorists have kidnapped the reindeer, and what will the children do? I can't deliver the presents. Someone help Santa. So she laughed, and we had a nice talk. And she wanted my name and address, so how I'll get mail. So I guess she's gonna send me something, which will be nice. I haven't seen my sister in 30 years. I hope in the next year or so I can go visit her. We're both getting kind of old. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be, and stay safe, but hopefully your computer does not start in safe mode, because this computer does, and it's screwed up, and that's not the word I want to use. It begins with an F. Have a great night, people, and help if you can. I know it's Christmas. You're spending money on Christmas presents. I could maybe put away $50, but I don't have $134 plus tax. I need, by the way, this thing needs the top case, the bottom case. It's cracked. I have the keyboard for it, and it needs to be cleaned. And I need a new trackpad, but that's a minor issue. And that has to be fixed. I don't know what they would charge me for that. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Bye-bye for now. I can't even access email on this thing. So if the iPad goes out, I don't have an internet. I at least can watch YouTube videos on TV, thank God. I'll look up the cube to figure out how to work it. And but you can only do a 5-minute video on it, so I don't know what I would do to send it to the internet. Doesn't have Wi-Fi. I'd have to get another computer, and I don't have one that works right now. Even if we go get the one out of storage, Kathy had it in her other apartment, and she had roaches there too, thanks to 2 neighbors that moved in, and that computer has to be thoroughly ultrasonically cleaned and upgraded, and that's going to cost me money too. I need a new Mac. Oh, good. All right. Bye-bye for now.